Oh, Christina, we have something for you.
We got presents.
You're gonna like it.
Everywhere we go, we get presents for Christina.
Yep. All we see now is, oh, Christina will like this. Oh, Christina will like this.
I miss you, Boo Boo.
Forget Grandpa. Oh, Christina will like this.
Oh, those are Mommy's good glasses. Don't break them, please. Please don't break them.
Christina, where's the ball? Christina, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Go get the ball.
She likes being with her mom.
Go get the ball, Christina.
I miss my mama.
I missed you, Boo Boo. I missed you. Missed you, Boo. No. No. No.